Do your ears hang low? Do they wobble to and fro? Can you tie 'em in a knot? Can you tie 'em in a bow? Can you throw 'em over your shoulder like a continental soldier? Do your ears hang low? Do your ears stand high? Do they reach up to the sky? Do they droop when they are wet, or do they stiffen when they're dry? Can you wave 'em at your neighbor with that element of flavor? Do your ears stand high? Do your ears flip-flop? Can you use them as a mop? Are they stringy at the bottom? Are they curly at the top? Can you use them for as water? Can you use them for a blotter? Do your ears flip-flop? Do your ears stick out? Can you waggle them about? Can you flap them up and down as you fly around the town? Can you shut them up for sure when you hear an awful bore? Do your ears stick out? Do your ears give snacks? Are they all filled up with wax? Do you eat it in the morning? Do you eat it in the bath? Do you eat it with a scone, or do you eat it on its own? Do your ears give snacks? Do your ears hang low? Do they wobble to and fro? Can you tie 'em in a knot? Can you tie 'em in a bow? Can you throw 'em over your shoulder like a continental soldier? Do your ears hang low?
Hi there! If you like what you see on Dream Again, please make sure to hit the subscribe button, like us, and comment down below. Thanks!